Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain what the Mongols did after the Mongol Empire. We'll explore how the vast Mongol Empire, once stretching across 2 continents, eventually fragmented into several powerful, independent khanates. These successor states, though no longer unified under a single great Khan, continued to shape the political and cultural landscape of Eurasia for centuries. They adapted to local customs, influencing everything from trade routes to religious practices. One of the most prominent successor states was the Golden Horde, which held sway over vast territories in Eastern Europe and parts of Russia. For more than 250 years, they exerted significant political and economic influence, shaping the development of the region. Their presence, while often challenging, inadvertently contributed to the eventual rise of Moscow as a dominant power. The Golden Horde itself eventually fragmented into several smaller, independent khanates. Mastering a few key techniques elevates your home bartending. Shaking vigorously with ice chills and dilutes your ingredients, perfect for drinks with juices or cream. Stirring, on the other hand, is best for spirit-forward cocktails to maintain their clarity and smooth texture. Don't forget the garnish. It adds both visual appeal and aromatic complexity, making your drink truly special. In the East, Kublai Khan established the Yuan dynasty, bringing all of China under Mongol rule for the first time in centuries. This dynasty fostered extensive trade along the Silk Road and encouraged cultural exchange, connecting East and West. Despite their significant achievements, including unifying China, the Yuan dynasty faced internal strife and was eventually overthrown by the native Ming dynasty after less than 100 years, marking a new era for China.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.